If you're thinking about opening an FXTM account in 2026, here's one fact you need to know right away. Choosing the wrong broker can cost you hundreds or even thousands of dollars per year through spreads, commissions, and hidden trading costs, even if your strategy is profitable. So, the question is FXTM still worth using today, or has it been overtaken by newer competitors? FXTM has been one of the most recognized Forex brokers in the industry for more than a decade. The company is regulated by multiple financial authorities across different regions, which is a major advantage, especially for new traders. In a market where many brokers appear and disappear within a few years, FXTM's long operating history demonstrates a solid level of credibility and operational stability. However, one common misconception is that a reputable broker is automatically the best broker. The reality is that your trading experience is determined by factors such as trading costs, execution quality, and how well the broker matches your trading style. When it comes to trading platforms, FXTM continues to support both MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, the two most widely used platforms in the Forex industry. This allows traders to use expert advisors, custom indicators, and proven trading strategies without any issues. Order execution is generally stable under normal market conditions and is sufficient for most day traders and swing traders. But here's the part many traders overlook. Don't focus only on advertised low spreads. Your real trading cost includes commissions, overnight swap fees, and potential slippage during periods of high market volatility. A broker with a low spread isn't necessarily the cheapest broker once all costs are considered. For example, if you frequently hold positions for several days or weeks, swap fees can become a significant factor affecting your profitability. On the other hand, if you're primarily a day trader who closes positions before the end of the trading session, spreads and execution speed will likely matter much more. That's why the best broker isn't the one with the lowest advertised spread. It's the one whose overall trading conditions fit your strategy. Another advantage of FXTM is its wide range of deposit and withdrawal options available in many countries. Deposits are generally fast and convenient, while withdrawals tend to be smooth once your account verification is completed. In fact, here's a simple but important tip. Verify your account immediately after registration. Don't wait until you've made profits and need to withdraw funds. Completing verification early can save you time and unnecessary delays later. So, does FXTM have any weaknesses? Absolutely. If you're a professional scalper or a high-volume trader, there are brokers in today's market offering tighter spreads and lower commission structures. Likewise, if your focus is on trading a large variety of stock CFDs or cryptocurrency CFDs, some competitors currently provide a broader selection of instruments. That said, FXTM doesn't need to be perfect for everyone to remain a strong choice. For beginner and intermediate traders who value stability, a long-established reputation, and reliable access to MT4 and MT5, FXTM remains a broker worth considering in 2026. If you'd like to try FXTM for yourself and receive available trading fee discounts or promotional benefits for new clients, check out the registration link in the video description below. Depending on the current promotion, registering through that link may help you reduce your trading costs and get started with additional benefits. Before we wrap up, remember one very important thing. No broker can turn a losing strategy into a profitable one. A broker is simply a tool. Long-term success in trading comes from proper risk management, emotional discipline, consistent execution, and a strategy that has been thoroughly tested. If you found this review helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future broker reviews, trading insights, and market updates. And leave a comment below. Have you ever traded with FXTM? What was your experience like? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.